Thank you for joining me today for Level 2, Week 2, Simple Cooking with Heart. In this video, we'll be making our crunchy cucumber dill salad. So the first thing we're going to do is chop our cucumbers. So I'm just gonna slice them into bite-sized rounds. When they're all sliced, I'll place them in a separate bowl. Next, we're going to slice our onion. The onion I have here is left over from another recipe, so it's already cut in half and already peeled. So I'm just going to slice it into very thin slices. After you have all of your onions sliced like so, you want to separate each individual ring from each other. So that way we don't have solid chunks of onion. After we do that, then we'll add it to our cucumbers. And lastly, we're gonna chop up our dill. In the original recipe instructions, it doesn't tell you to chop up your dill, but I think it looks and tastes a lot better when the dill is evenly dispersed through the salad. So I'm just gonna chop it just a little bit. I'm going to add that to our bowl. Now the salad is extremely versatile. If you didn't have dill and you wanted to use another herb, you could also use parsley or cilantro or any bright green herb. If you didn't have lemon juice, which we're going to use for the dressing for this salad, you could also use vinegar, white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, whatever you liked. So next we're going to add our lemon juice. I have half of a lemon left over from another recipe, so I'm going to use that. I think I'm actually going to cut a little bit more. I'm going to use a little bit more lemon juice. I'm going to cut another lemon. Place it in my squeezer. All right, next I'm going to add my olive oil. And finally, my black pepper. And then I'm going to give it a good stir to combine everything. Now, I personally think that cucumber salads are the best when they have had some time to sit in the fridge. So I would put this in the fridge for at least half an hour before you're gonna serve it. And that way the acid from the lemon juice fully penetrates the onions and the cucumbers. All right. Ooh, I got a big bunch of onions there. All right, now that it's fully covered, I'm gonna place it in my fridge for about 30 minutes and serve it with our salmon.